back to our channel.
It's Ray and Rob. Thank you for tuning in.
We are in Salt Lake City, Utah.
Enjoy what's been happening this week in Salt Lake City. Okay, it's really hot right now. It's about 35 degrees and I'm in need of some refreshments. Thankfully there's a lot of trees around the city, so you get shade like this. But it's hot. It's really hot. Could do with a cold drink.
My friends say, girl, you better take care, cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I'm home.
This one here decided to order for an army at the sushi place. But it's all good because I know that's his happy place. But it was a lot of food and I am absolutely stuffed but satisfied. What say you?
I mean, to be fair, probably the best sushi place in Salt Lake City, so
Is it worth it?
100%.
We're like food coma.
So,
What?
the other day, obviously, we had that little moment at the ramen restaurant.
Maybe you can describe the situation we had first.
Oh yeah, I was showing Rob something on my screen and Rob got distracted, as he does in places, which kind of irked me a bit. So I got into a bit of a hump that carried on for a good couple of hours. Really not Rob, but me, just being sulky, just being sulky. And then when we got back to the hotel room, we kind of hashed it out. And really my reflection on that, no matter what happens, right, big or small, to just communicate how you feel, you know, let the other person know. I think it's very easy to put the blame on the other person, but I think it's very important to check yourself, right? To make sure that whatever caused it, that it wasn't actually their fault. And maybe it's something that you're projecting onto that person, or maybe it's actually you that's making a big deal out of nothing, which I think that's what I felt the next day, and I felt really, really guilty. Deep down, I guess it's just like I just wanted your undivided attention at that moment.
I have a bad habit of getting distracted when there's a lot of things going on in my area. I also chose to kind of like snap back, and I'm like, gave you that look. Maybe I was tired, I don't know, no excuses here, but there was awkward silence during dinner. I could have also just said, hey, I'm sorry, can we go back to what you were showing me? I didn't know at that time that he had spent maybe 2 hours looking and researching different things that he wanted to show me. It's a learning experience for both of us.
Yeah.
I remember a few weeks ago, you know, with this habit of mine, I told Ray, like, hey, if there's anything you want to discuss and it's very, very important, like, let me know and say, Rob, I need your 100% attention right now. I think being more mindful, being more present will definitely help, so that you're not always saying that to me.
One of the things that I always praise about our relationship is the ability to communicate, right? So that night we hashed it out and we went to bed just really, really happy and appreciating each other. And I think that's the most important thing. It's just making sure that like communicate, because that's the key to everything, especially to a successful relationship. And so yeah,
we're each other's therapists.
Hi everyone, today I had a really good day. I woke up, had lots of sleep, felt really refreshed. Then went downstairs and had some good nutritious breakfast. And then after that, I decided to do a HIIT workout for 30 minutes in the gym, a 10-minute cool down session with meditation. After that, went to use the jacuzzi. Was there for about 15 minutes and was just enjoying my kind of quiet moment and quiet time. Then I got a text from Rob saying that he is surprising me with a spa treatment, which I'm super excited about. Thank you. Hi. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Hope you don't mind me filming a vlog.
Here's going to be our men's lounge. We have refreshments, we have tea, Kristen infused water, Charmin Snacks Maker, and all that at the end, along with apple right here on the bed. On the left are our bathrooms, we have body lotion and mouthwash in there. Above their double vanity where you can find deodorant, hairspray, hair dryers, and food sit. The shower on the end will be our 17th head shower experience. Straight at the end of our halls are Himalayan saltwater dry zone. That's here behind me will be our steam room. You can turn that on and start pressing this button right here.
Okay, great.
If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you so much. Okay, I'm here. I did not expect this place to be so bougie. Thank you for this surprise, my you really surpassed yourself. Hey, nice to meet you. I'm good. I'm Ray. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Ray.
How are you feeling?
Achy. My massage just finished and oh my god, it was so good. Like probably one of the best massages I've ever had. I feel so relaxed. He hit the right pressure points. I prefer deep tissue massage and it was just the right amount of pressure. I feel so good. I'm sleepy right now. Thank you so much.
Yay! Now it's a proper holiday.
Yeah. Give me a kiss.